हेलो गाइज, आज फिर से आप लोगों के साथ एक नया स्मार्टफोन की अनबॉक्सिंग लेके आ गया। आप वीडियो देखते रहिए। अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन पर मिल जाएगी इस स्मार्टफोन की लिंक। आप वहां से भी डायरेक्ट बाई कर सकते हैं। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिए, साथ के बेल आइकन को भी दबा लीजिए ताकि इस तरह के जितने भी गैजेट की वीडियो आएगी सभी कुछ आपको मिलती रहेगी। चलिए वीडियो देखते हैं।
Today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with its name. So let's open the box. First, you can see this hidden lid with the SIM ejector tool at the back. And inside the lid we have documentation like quick start guide and regional lock guide, which will give you information about the phone. Here we have Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. At the back, we have a 64 megapixel triple camera setup. Also, you can see Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks good in this color. Next, we have USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And a 2-pin wall charger with 25 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G box. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display having a pixel density of 393 ppi and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. The power button also works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a SIM tray. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, a primary microphone, and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G comes with a triple camera setup. On the bottom, you'll see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 6GB of RAM, and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy M52 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by a 25 watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 64 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 64 megapixel primary camera supported by a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel macro camera. Also, the phone offers a 32 megapixel front camera. The software version of Samsung Galaxy M52 5G is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.